Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel, the first lesson of the Drunken Kung Fu style. So follow me now, let's go! How to make your drunken style with your hand. So your hand, both fingers are round, just like you're holding a cup, like this. So your both hand to make a circle. So you go left and right, left and right, and your body to make a circle as well, left and right, and your head also follows your cups and to looking around. So how your feet work, let's see this. So also your both feet, so use your toes to lean either side, your heel up and you go other side, and your hand also follows. Just follow the rhythm, there is not speed to request. That's great. Alright, so now how to walk. Start left and right, and you come back, feet together, and again. So go left and right like a drunken and straight and come back. Look like your last balance are truly
totally in control, looking for a chance
to attack. Now we're adding your hand work, okay? So you say go one, your right hand make a circle, and left and straight, your single hand attack and come back and make a circle. 1, 2, 3. Everybody know for the famous drunken style. So when you're drunk, look like you're drunk. So the way you already fall, actually you dance to someone attack you. So you go back and you come back with your single hand or double or circle. This is the style of drunken style. Let's go to the next one. This basics is attack both sides. So once you have your drunken style, both hand right here. So you go one, and you got boom, kick, and you twist and attack the other side with your both hand. So let's say again. So you go 1, 2, kicking, boom, right. So follow me for the next one. So with the way you both hand, the drunken style, you gotta kick and attack, and just follow a roll. This way, you both hand and go kick, attack, and follow a roll. So the elbow to attack, followed by boom, boom. So let's say this combo, both hands, go, kicking, and boom, 1 and 2, attack, and follow, and go. Attack, down, turning, attack. The next basics, you both hand right center, and you go stack cross, and you make a circle. This is a break, and behind if you like, you go down, right middle, and you go boom, and your right hand flat, and this is like straight, this is bunning and behind, and after you become face on your both side, cross your hand and push up. 罗汉睡觉, the 罗汉 sleeping. So let's follow me for the real timing training. Let's go. Welcome back, the real timing Kung Fu class. If you don't have big space for training Kung Fu, that's no problem. If you have something like this, that's enough. So let's go. Standing straight, open your leg. Both hands become drunken hand. And move your hand to right to make a circle. Same time, you move your weight from heel to your toe. And to make circle. Great, that's the first move. Let's do again. Go. 1, right hand. Move your weight to your toe and come back. So cross your both hand and continue. Your body lean to your right and your both hand. Go. Attack. Right hand 45 down, left hand 45 up. Let's see from the back side. Standing straight. Both hand become drunken hand and start. Go your hand at the same time. Your weight move to your toe to make a circle. Cross your hand and lean this side. And you go. Knee lift and attack. 45 down, 45 up. Let's see the real speed. Shake! Let's see the back side. Shake! 1. And landing your left foot. Both hand go down to the left and go up. Cross your leg and fold. The side fold. Your right hand under and left hand on top and become fist. On your both side of your head, right leg go up, crossing, and you gotta push your feet and your elbow up. 罗汉睡觉. Let's see the other side. 1, landing, both hands go left and stack and slide down and fold. And both hands and cross and push. 罗汉睡觉. Let's see the faster speed. See what move after this one. Land your right foot, right hand cross. Use your right shoulder and do front row. Attack. Let's see the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do quick tutorial for front row. Front row, you can roll straight or you roll on the side. So 1 and 2 look down and you straight your knee and you look far away. You just push your hand and you will roll automatically like a ball. Let's quick talk about the side roll for drunken style. As our lesson, so your left hand on the floor and your right hand cross your left hand. Your shoulder on the floor. And now you push your hand and you go kicking this way and you roll to the other side. Let's say this side, same thing, left hand 1 and right hand 2 cross, sway, shoulder, and you can kick and you roll. After front row, your left knee on the floor and your right hand attack front and left hand behind and you make a trick. Done. Your right hand rotate all the way, circle far you can, and come back. You touch your right knee on the floor, and you got this trick. Perfect. Let's continue. You got stand up. Drunken walk. Walk left, right, and come back. You go attack with your knee lift left and just behind your right joint. And now the next move, you got to go drunken down. So your toe go down like this way, you bend right knee and you got up. So you go 1 attack, once you go down, boom, for your toe and quick push and come back. 1 and 2 and 3. After go down and go up and quick left your left. You both hand make circle quick turn and you go attack. Turn and your right leg left and rotate down You step, attack by your both hand. Quick stand up, you step with left both hand back to your waist. And you go. Kick, come back, and kick. That's all the move for lesson 1. Now follow me step by step. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lesson 1 for Drunken Kung Fu style. I see you in next video. I love you all and bye bye.